Greetings from KOVAI Classic Industries. You are watching a video of diesel engine power weeder, which is also known as back rotary tiller or a multifunction rotary tiller. Specifications are: powered by 6 horsepower high-speed single-cylinder air-cooled diesel engine. 3 forward and 1 reverse gear and main gearbox gives smooth driving experience. Fully synchronized direct drive main and planetary gearbox gives full thrust. High/low, clock, anti-clockwise rotation facility in rotary gearbox to give better result on tillage/trenching. Tubeless tires and cage wheel set. 3 feet wide L-type tilling blade set for soft land. 1.5 feet wide J-type tilling blade set for hard land. And to know more about specifications, please log on to www.kovaiclassicindustries.com web link.